Tesla launches Giga beer, Cybertruck-inspired Pilsner. Add this to your list of memorabilia. They had the tequila. They had the whistle, the Cybertruck whistle. Mm-hmm. There's been the shorts. Wasn't it like red shorts?
Yeah. Not a lot of consumables, but this is one of them. The tequila and then the beer.
The tequila followed by the beer, brewed for cyborgs, made by humans. Giga beer, now available. What's it going to run me? Look at the container. Looks pretty cool. You're going to run me $100. Oh, it's close. $97.06
for a 3-pack.
It was just a guess. Oh, a 3-pack. Wait a second. It's a 330 mil that you're getting? That's it?
Let's see here.
That's kind of weird. A 330 mil. So it's basically a bottle of beer times 3 for 100. Now, do you drink it? Do you save it? Do you collect it? What do you do? Because really the collectible is the bottle. So I think you can drink it. Can you give me a translation on that?
Does it expire?
Description?
It does, right?
Of course.
Okay, here we go.
Tesla Giga beer was created to mimic the shape of Cybertruck while honoring the 500-year tradition of brewing beer, according to the German Reinheitsgebot. Reinheitsgebot. They got rules around beer. Will, did you know that in Germany?
What's one of them?
So the beer is serious in Germany.
Oh, yeah.
Did you go there?
I would like to one day.
You're going to go there? Well, when you go there, just know that the beer is serious. And you're going to ask for a beer, and they're going to raise their eyebrow. Okay, the left eyebrow, they're going to raise. And then you're going to get rattly. You're going to go, ooh, because they're going to ask what kind of beer you want next. And you're going to say what?
A Giga beer?
No, you're not. You're not.
A lager. They punch me again.
Anyway, listen. They got laws around it. For example, you're not going to see a German beer in a clear container. Like if you go there and you try to drink a Corona, you're going to get smacked upside the face.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, definitely you're not going to get smacked.
Okay.
And the reason being, I don't know, it goes back to like ancient times. And
they drink
in Europe, they're just so serious about, well, I guess food and drink. Because I know Italy has a bunch of crazy food rules too. They're like, oh, those tomatoes, you can't call that tomato that tomato. Could be the same variety, but think about the soil. I get into this stuff from time to time. You can't have the clear bottle. Clear bottle exposes the product to UV, has a higher likelihood of being exposed to UV, change the
chemistry.
Change the chemistry of the beer, change the flavor of the beer, potentially create an environment where you could have cloudy things going on in there and bacterias and whatever else. And so you get the tinted, and the tinted keeps the sun off regardless of the storage.
Okay, yeah.
It improves the shelf life, the integrity of the beer. You wouldn't want to hurt the beer.
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to hurt the coffee, and you wouldn't want to hurt the beer. You wouldn't want to hurt the tomatoes from Italy.
Okay.
Just here to help you guys out.
We should get this, but it's only in Europe right now, unfortunately.
Well, can we import? Wait, I wasn't done reading the description. Because you were asking me all about these rules.
Well, hurry up.
Enjoy the Pilsner beer. Limited. Brewed in Berlin with our special cyber hops and notes of citrus fruit, bergamot, and sweet fruit. Each bottle features a seamless gloss black sleeve with a glow-in-the-dark Giga watermark. Cheers. May only be sold to persons over 18 years of age, sold in packs of 3, water, barley, malt, cyber hops, yeast. Made in Germany, powered by cyber hops, sold and distributed by Brew Uni. 89 euros for a 3-pack. They're going to keep doing this. They're going to keep having a time. And
Very collectible.
People are going to keep drinking it up.